Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I've got a review of the CJP Monument and some of their powder. Now this one is a normal Monument. It is all MMA free, which is what you want. Then this one is a HEMA free Monument, and this one too is MMA free. Then you get your primer pen. Sorry, I lost my words then guys. You also get some glitter. And then you get all your powders, which I will be swatching for you today guys. And this is completely my first impressions. I've never never used these products before, so I'm just going to go in and use a HEMA free. As guys who have been following me for a while will know, I am allergic to acrylic monomer, so I am trying this out. I've put no gloves on, so I will keep you all updated on this. So I'm just burping my brush at the moment. And first off we're going to go in with, I can't see the name of it, but I will leave the link to where I brought all this kit from in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. Now it did recommend in the instructions to drain it a bit on your paper towel, because you're meant to use this a bit drier than normal acrylic. So this is my first time ever using it, so bear with me guys. So it does go on very nice, I will say. I'm very impressed with it. So I'm just doing that now. I'm just putting it on. I'm just patting it down like you would on a normal nail. I'm just feathering it out there so then I can put the next bead on. I must say guys, I'm really impressed with this system. I mean, I thought when I seen it, I thought I'll try it, it'll be like all the other acrylics I've used, but no, I absolutely love it. I adore it. It goes on so easily, and it even foils even easier. You get a great set of instructions in there. It does say on the instructions, loved by CJP, and it actually says that it is a nail system created by nail techs, which is even better for us techs, because we know then that it's got to be good. So I will read you some of the hints and tips I do put in the book while you're watching me do my swatches. We'll start that again. We at CJP Nail Systems appreciate that all nail technicians have their own unique way of working through their own experiences. However, we are certain that once you have tried our products, you will immediately notice how it will literally self-level for you, enabling you to pack the product into place, which is true. It does do that. And then it says, please ensure that you work drier than when using other brands. Adjust your ratio accordingly. We recommend 3.1 powder to liquid. If you're working too wet, you will find that the product will become sticky. It won't stay where you place it, and you'll be chasing the product around the nail. You will also notice once the product is set, the nail will be very easy to foil. Please be careful not to overfoil while adjusting to CJP. And I will actually say that is right. I've never known an acrylic system to foil as easy as this did. I did foil off camera guys, but I'm 100% happy with it. So the set I've got here, I purchased it from the CJP website because I've heard about the allergy friendly monomer. So in the try me kit you get 1 times crystal glass 10 grams, 1 times snow white 10 grams, 1 times peach sherbet 10 grams, cherry blossom, I don't know what's wrong with me today guys. Right, 1 times cherry blossom blush 10 grams, 1 negligee 10 grams, and then you get 1 CJP ultra adhesive, 1 HEMA free 50ml. You get 2 50mls and an acid pen plus a bonus glitter colour. So you either get a bonus colour or glitter, and they pick it, you don't get no picks. But then you do have a mini core kit as well, and you get 10 grams in them, and you get, I'm not going to read all these out, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you get 13, and you get the same with the monomer, you get 50 mils of each. Then you get the acid primer, ultra acid bond, sorry, 15 mils, but you also get the prep spray, and again the bonus colour glitter. So that's just some information that come with my kit. But it's amazing how it works. Somebody actually said to me on Instagram, I can't remember your name, but you will know who you are, that I will love it, and she couldn't wait for my review. She's right, I love it. I absolutely love it. I will be purchasing more of this system. It just, unless you try it, you cannot explain it. But if any nail tech out there and you like acrylic, I would highly recommend this. I mean, I've done this review for you today. So far I'm not itching. Normally by now I'm itching if I don't wear gloves. So, and as you can see, you can just pat it into place like it does say. Just pat it down and it goes where you want it to go. There is one in here, and I don't know if it's coming up next. Actually, I went, wow, I wasn't expecting it in the kit. So you should know when it comes on, but I was actually shocked because you couldn't really see it until it was on the nail. So it did look really nice. So I'm just always work with a dry bead, and it does work. So I'm just going and patting all that down now. And if you look, I do drain it on every one. I try and keep my brush as dry as I can with a little bit of monomer on there. So, but with other systems I've used, this has never been the case. Like Nao, Glam and Glitz, I know I work wet with the Nao colour, but not with their clear acrylic. And with Glam and Glitz, I know you have to work a lot wetter on the products. So on the powder, you have to have a wetter bead. So it's learning different systems. Once you know how that system then works, it's easy. So, but I do like Glam and Glitz as well, guys. I have got only 2 in my collection, but I am thinking of purchasing more in the new year. So I will have some fun reviews coming up on gel and acrylic. Right, the one I was shocked with is coming up now. This one just blew me away. I was like, oh wow, because I wasn't actually expecting it. And to look at it, you cannot see it. It doesn't look like it. It just looks like silver. So I went in with my bead, my first bead, because I looked at it for so long it was no good, but it's hollow, guys. It has hollow in it. As you can see, the bead did fall off. So I'll go in again and do a better one for yours. But the hollow sparkles so nice in this. I was like, wow. So it is amazing. I mean, look, you can see already the camera picking up the hollow, but I do hold it up to the camera after I've done it all. I mean, even this, normally when it's got glitter in, if it's chunky glitters or normal glitters, it's quite hard. So they've got the consistency 100% right. They've mixed it perfect. I was really impressed. It doesn't take a lot to impress me, but this kit has impressed me. I will be only using CJP now from now on, guys, for my acrylic, because I am really happy. So I'm just patting it down. As you can see, just pat it down, you don't have to do nothing else. Feather it in. You can see the hollow there, guys. The hollow is shining through. I mean, this would make a beautiful accent finger, but I was highly impressed with that. It's really, really nice. So I will be doing more fun designs with some of these colours. I am going to do my own nails in acrylic in about, say, another week yet, because I've got plenty of growth room in these that I've got on. So in about a week and a half I will be doing another video, so keep your eyes out for that. I have got a video, excuse me guys, I have got a video ready to go which I'll be uploading sometime this week anyhow, or the weekend. So I will, but this one I will be uploading today as soon as I'm done with it, so this one will be going out to you guys. I mean, when it's a new system as well, you do have to get used to it. As it said, they did say in there, just to have a play around with it, but I took to it like a duck to water, I think. So I was really impressed. Look at the hollow guys, 1 minute for the hollow. So next I go in with the Snow White, I think it is. Yes, Snow White, but because I was only using the monomer I had in there, I know I didn't realise that one was glittery. I do get a bit of glitter in it, but again with the Snow White it goes on like a dream. I was really happy with it. Also I'd like to say is that the tubs are absolutely ram-packed with powder, which is really good because normally they put too little in. So on this occasion I opened them, so make sure you open them over something because otherwise it will go everywhere. I mean, I got it all over my desk and I had to clean it all off, but that's because they're giving you as a customer good value for money, and us Nailtechs are like that in a company. So they are a company that work for you, I think, so you can't moan at it. The prices, excuse me guys, prices are very reasonable. I think that kit was £20 or 25, something like that, so you can't moan at that. I mean, I have been wanting to try out new systems now because I normally do use C&D, the acrylic, monomer and the powder. What other systems have I used? NSI, I was a big fan of NSI. I've still got some NSI monomer somewhere. Nails, I can't use their monomer at all, but I do like the colours. They have the colour choices in their acrylic. I did sell a lot of my acrylic powders and just kept the odd few. So the colours I've got left is the colours that I liked personally, rather than what a client would like or you guys would like. But I will definitely be purchasing some colours from CJP, so I will be looking into this a little bit deeper, and I hope to share with you some more good stuff for you guys. I mean, as you can see, even on the white, once foiled, it was amazing. So here I'm just emptying that bit out before I use the crystal clear, because I actually want you to see it being clear rather than with a bit of glitter in it. So I did get rid of that bit of at the bottom. There wasn't much in there anyhow. So next we go in with the crystal clear. I think this is the last one of the lot guys for you, but overall a must have. If you love your acrylic, purchase this kit. You don't have to, it says here they supply to professional nail technicians, students, educators and colleges. So if you're a student, you've got your student stuff to prove you're a student, you can buy this system. Professionals, same, you've got your certification, your qualification, your diploma, whatever it is in your country or county, you can buy. But they do over 100 colours, colour changing and design powders. They also have salon essentials, brushes, workwear, nail art, an array of glitters, decals, crystals, bling and much more. But I will definitely leave the link for you guys. This video is not sponsored by them. they've not given me none of these products. I've brought these products to review for you guys, so I hope you all do like it. I am very impressed, like I said. So now I'm just cleaning up my brushes, I think. Yep, and I'll put it into like a tip thing so you can all see the tip. So next in, I've done all the filing off camera, guys, and next I go in and I'll top gloss them all with my Model 1 No Wipe top gloss. I think that's a lingerie one. Right guys, the hollow's here now. Look at the hollow over the, when it's been done over with the top gloss. Look at that. Appreciate the hollow, guys. That was just blinging. So I'm just doing all this on all 6 of them. I mean, look, the colour is just amazing. To think that I haven't even encapsulated none of that. I've just done it from the powder, foiled it and then top glossed it. So I'm curing them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Even the white, look at the white, you can't even tell that it had any bumps in it at all. And this is the clear, and I do think it is clear. If you look, guys, you can see how clear that is. So that would be perfect to encapsulate your glitters with and everything else. Here they are out of the LED lamp, and that hollow again, guys. And then we have the lingerie, and I can't remember the name of these, but some of them are just, they've come out really pretty. That would make a great nail bed. So I'm just waiting for the others to do, and the others are done now, so I'm getting them out the lamp. The clear is so clear. I mean, that's, none of them have been encapsulated. That's all just the acrylic on their own. So guys, I give this product a thumbs up. It's a must buy if you're a nail technician who loves acrylic. It goes on really well. All you have to do is pat it into place. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also don't let nobody dull your sparkle. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.